Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about PERM, EB3, EB2 labor certification, and we're going to talk about the required advertising and recruitment steps for PERM labor certification. It's also called EB3, although EB2 is included. On our website, under our services, if you click on PERM I-140 in the home page, and then scroll down a little bit to pre-filing recruitment requirements. Now, the recruitment advertising depends on whether or not it's a professional position or a non-professional position. We'll start with professional occupations, professional positions, and these are positions that normally require at least a bachelor degree in a specific field. The mandatory recruitment steps for professional occupations are 30 days in the state workforce agency. This is also called a job order. And each state has a workforce agency where the employer creates an account and posts the position details for 30 days. The second required step for for all occupations actually is 2 Sundays in the newspaper of general circulation in the area of intended employment most appropriate to the occupation and the workers likely to apply. So how do you tell if the Sunday paper is the correct one? For example, in Washington, D.C., there's the Washington Times and the Washington Post, and there's actually been a Belka decision on this. The safe harbor approach is to select the newspaper with the largest circulation, and then you can hang your hat on the fact that that is the most appropriate Sunday newspaper, appropriate to the occupation and the workers likely to apply. Now, if the job opportunity is located in a rural area that does not have a newspaper with a Sunday edition, the employer may use the edition with the widest circulation in the area of intended employment. Documentation for the SWA, the job order, the 30-day job order, is a website printout of the first day and the last day with the URL and the date, and the newspaper. For the 2 Sundays, it's the tear sheets that the newspaper will send. Now, for non-professional positions, that's it. It's just the 30-day state workforce agency job order and the 2 Sundays. You're finished if it's a non-professional position. And that's often, these are positions that often require less than a bachelor degree in a specific field. For professional positions that do require at least a bachelor degree, such as software developer, software engineer, database architect, teacher, elementary school teacher, secondary school teacher, civil engineer, etc., there are additional recruitment steps, and the employer is required to select 3 additional recruitment steps from the following list: job fairs, employer's website, job search website other than the employer's, on-campus recruiting, a trade or professional organization, private employment firms, employee referral program with incentives, campus placement office, local and ethnic newspapers, and radio and television advertisements. Now, our firm, when we prepare PERM petitions, we work with third-party ad agencies. And the reason is PERM is there's zero tolerance for errors. And what that means is if the employer, if you do it yourself, the advertising, and you put the position details are different in the Sunday newspapers as they are on the employer's website, and you omit required information that has to be in the ad, displayed in the ad, that's grounds for denial. And the painful part of this is that the processing time is so long that you could easily lose 18 months if you make a simple error. And so for that reason, we like to take the burden off the employer and work with a professional permanent agency whose sole purpose and sole job is to comply with the DOL regulations when it comes to recruitment. And we found that to be very effective and limits errors to 0. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If this was helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks.